Hello, Micah. My name's Leo, Leo the Red Squirrel, and I want to do some animal sounds with you. I was told that you've been working really hard at new sounds, so let's try some. Let's do it together. Let's do a cow sound. Moo, moo. Very good. Let's do a pig sound. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Very good. Let's do a bird sound. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Great. I bet you're doing really, really good. How about a sheep sound? Baa, baa. Really good, Micah. Now, I'm a squirrel. I don't make a lot of neat sounds, but I do like to climb trees and jump branches and collect my food for the winter. Usually in the winter time when it's really cold, I just like to keep things slow and not have to do too much work. Anyway, I hope you like doing sounds with me. And remember, eat your vegetables. Bye.